Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
Up first this evening, there were dramatic scenes in Chesterfield's Seaview Gardens in St. Andrew on Tuesday afternoon.
2 people were washed away by flood waters. 1 was rescued while the search continues for the other.
Amoy Harriet was in the area and filed this report.
The search is still on for a 19-year-old man who is among 2 persons that were washed away by heavy flood waters in the Waltham Park Road area in St. Andrew earlier today. The identities of both persons have not yet been released. Now, preliminary reports suggest that the other victim, an adult woman, was attempting to rescue a hog which fell in the gully when the heavy current washed her away. Now, the young man was in the process of saving the woman when he too was pulled into the gully. The flood waters washed both persons from that area all the way down to Seaview Gardens where the woman was rescued by residents. Now, she has since been hospitalized. Her condition is unknown at this time. However, residents who witnessed her rescue say she was pretty shaken up and bewildered after taking in all that water.
When me look is a woman, me see her come down in the gully. So me say, wait on there, Shabal, I say, help me can't swim, me I go dead. And me say, hold on on the pallet there, because the pallet that come down side and she hold on the pallet and I run go under the gully. But how the gully a bubble, the pallet flick over with her and I don't see her, so me I say, wait, she gone. But oh, she float up back, she come against the banking now and a floater come down on her face. See me as how, just watch it, see me as how you see me stay, so she a floater come down. So I just grab her in her neck, so I hold on the gully with her foot here. Let me spin around and show you, hold on the gully with her foot here. And stretch over in the gully. So when she float come across now, I just grab her in her neck and just lift her up so and hold her with her and she said, no, make me dead. I say, nah, make you dead, man. Everything all right.
As for the young man, a search party including firefighters, policemen and community members are still here in the Chesterfield community searching tirelessly for him, hoping he will be found alive. Of course, we'll have more details on this in subsequent newscasts. Reporting from Chesterfield in St. Andrew, I am Amoy Harriet.